The GUI is an essential part of our modern computers. Without them, it is very hard to tell them what to do. But the way GUI shows everything on the screen is pretty insane. This is the insanity of vertices. In any graphical engine, vertices are a fundamental part of making shapes on the screen. As you know, every vertex has some variables, mainly x and the y coordinates, but they themselves can't directly show shapes on the screen. They are just points on the screen. So, multiple vertices are joined together to form shapes. See, we need 2 vertices for a line, 3 for a triangle, and a triangle is what we need at all. Every shape on the screen can be drawn with triangles, even a circle. So, let's begin. Let's take 2 vertices. One is here and the other is here on the screen. Now, let's see what happens if we join them. We got a line. Now, let's take 3 vertices. Join them together and we got a triangle. If we place vertices in specific coordinates and join them together, we can make any shape we want. See, you got a square here. Here comes the interesting part, coding it. So, here we have a simple program that shows a vertex on the screen. If you don't know how to make one, I have already made a video on it. We have to make several classes for vertex, then line, then triangle. The vertex class carries 2 values, x and the y coordinates. The line class contains 2 vertices. This class joins the 2 vertices. The triangle class has 3 vertices to make a triangle. Let's take a look at all the classes. This is the vertex class. This class contains 2 variables for coordinates. Then we make methods like set coordinates, get coordinates, drawing class for screen coordinate system, and a draw method. The way we draw the vertex is simple. Convert the Cartesian coordinates to screen coordinates by this equation and draw a filled oval to represent a point. This is the line class. Here we have 2 vertices and we have all the getter and setter methods. Now let's take a look at the drawing system. We convert the coordinates to screen coordinates for each vertex and draw a line using a built-in method in Swing. This is the triangle class. We have 3 vertices, getter and setter methods. The drawing system is the same as the line class, but this time for 3 vertices. Let's create some vertices and join them with a line. Let's test it. This is working correctly. Now let's test the triangle part. Let's draw a square. To draw a square, the graphics card don't natively draw squares. They draw triangles. So we split our square diagonally into 2 triangles. We need 4 vertices in this pattern. One triangle connecting the 3 vertices and the other connecting other vertices. We got a square by using triangles. We draw triangles using Java Swing's draw polygon method. This is a very simple demonstration of drawing shapes on the screen. But for complex graphics, we can't just keep manually calling methods and hard coding the parameters. We need something a lot easier to write. And that brings us to a better approach. What if we built our own scripting language that makes our work effortless? That's exactly what we're tackling in our next video. If it is already uploaded, here's the video on your screen. If not, well, this is the video that YouTube thinks is best for you. Thanks for watching.